going on, guys? Mason here, hanging out in the shop before we get started for the day. And today we're going to bring you a dyno video of my good buddy David's gorgeous Chevy SS. Just took this thing for a rip. It's running pretty damn good, man. I think David's gonna be pleased with this one. Alright guys, so I'm going to bring you some bonus coverage of our buddy Mark's CTS-V on the dyno. I know we just finished tuning David's gorgeous green SS, but now we're going to move on to Mark's gorgeous CTS-V, and we're going to call the video there. It's been a really long week. Hoping to have some video of the Godzilla on the dyno before Christmas. We will see if Joe and the boys can get it done. Not going to rush anything though, so take a look, let us know what you think, leave a like. That being said, see you next time.